Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to turn on TikTok series. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video, and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the process as well. Now, in order to turn on TikTok series, what you need to do is open up your TikTok app, and once you're here, simply tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and that will take you to your profile page. Right now, on the top bar, simply tap in to the three horizontal bar on the top right corner of the screen, and on tapping that you'll be seeing an option that says creator tools. Right, simply tap on that, and once you're inside here, you'll be seeing an option that says TikTok series. Right, so currently that option isn't available in my country, so it's not showing, but if it's available in the country, then simply tap on the TikTok series app, and once you tap on that, here you'll be shown the eligibility series. Right, that will help you turn on the TikTok series option. Right now, the eligibility options, or in order to enable TikTok series, what you need to do is have an account in good standing and follow community guidelines, and the account must publish 3 or more videos in the last 30 days, and the account must reach 100 plus views in the last 30 days as well, and the account must be over 18 years old. Right, and once you have meet all the requirements, all you got to do now is just simply tap on continue and follow the process, and once you do that, the TikTok will let you or show you the process how to turn on the TikTok series, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.